Let's talk about 5 easy, and I mean it, really easy habits that are going to make 2024 your ultimate glow up year. If you're ready to take charge of your life, your career included, then you're gonna want to watch this video. If it's your first time here, hello, my name is Nicole Nyasha. I'm a certified professional recruiter based in Canada, and I share career-related and sometimes lifestyle content. I know there are a lot of videos with this sort of title floating around YouTube right now, which is only normal. It is the start of a new year. But what actually prompted me to make this video is I have declared 2024 my glow up year, and I'm glowing up in every sense from the inside and outward appearance as well. As I was working through how I'm actually going to make that happen, how I'm going to make 2024 my glow up year, I came up with these 5 steps. Number 1 is mastering goal setting. If you want 2024 to be your glow up year, don't be one of those people that just wing it. No winging it this year. It's not going to work this time around. You need to have a vision of what you want to accomplish with your time. By next year, this time when you are reflecting back on the previous year, what do you want to say about yourself? What do you want to say you accomplished? How do you want to describe your year? Then break down those big dreams into actionable steps, execute those steps, and you'll start to see progress. Visualizing your success and setting clear intentions for yourself is the first step to becoming the main character of your life, and by extension, making 2024 your glow up year. Now, what could that look like, let's say, in a career setting? Instead of just saying, I want a better job in 2024 because the cost of living is getting higher, a better goal to set for yourself in 2024 could be, I want to get senior added to my current title, and as a result, increase my salary to X amount, state the actual figure by X month so that I'm in a better position to maintain my lifestyle. Also, part of mastering goal setting is designing your everyday rituals. These could be things that you do daily, weekly, monthly, just to ensure that you're staying on track with your goal. For the goal that I shared, it could be scheduling one-on-one meetings with your boss to ensure that you're both aligned on the goal you want to get a promotion. If it's a new job that you're trying to get, it could look like sending out a certain number of applications daily or weekly, etc. To help me determine my career-related goals and stay on track, because that's part of glowing up, I'm going to be using the Faith-Based Career Planning Workbook. I've been using it for the past 3 years. It's changed my life. I love that it has journaling prompts that break down different sections of my career into what I should be focusing on. So half of the work is done for me. I just need to think about what I want those categories to look like, what I want to focus on, then come back every month, check in, and set intentions for the following month. The next habit that's going to help make 2024 your glow up year is daily mindful rituals. Here you have to think about what works for you and your lifestyle, but thinking along the lines of journaling, praying, meditation, studying the Bible, working out in whatever form, whatever practices you know can help center you, reduce stress, and help you stay focused on the things that truly matter. There's no denying that we are surrounded by so much noise from every side, everywhere you turn, especially in this social media generation, if you would call it that. There's pressure to be this, to try out that. We're overloaded with so much information that if you follow everything, you might run mad. But one of the best ways to correcting your narrative is making mindfulness part of your habits and incorporating that to just help you slow down and stay centered. Habit number 3 is continuous learning and growth. I've said this in a couple of videos, but stagnant water stinks. Really think about it. If there's a stream of water or a puddle of water and it's not flowing, it's just like stagnant, that place at some point is gonna get smelly. So to become the main character of your life, you have to evolve constantly. Invest in yourself, whether it's through free YouTube videos like this, reading books, taking courses, or even networking. I just talked about the negative side to social media, the social media era that we're in, but there's also a positive side to it because information is now easily accessible to all of us. If you do a quick search on almost any topic, you'll be fed with so much information in just seconds. So make use of it. Instead of scrolling social media aimlessly all day, use it to your advantage and learn something that's going to help you glow up. Strive to continuously elevate yourself. This year, not only am I elevating myself in my career, like I mentioned, the career planning workbook that I'm going to be using has different sections to focus on, and learning and development is one of them. So I'm definitely going to be upskilling and developing myself in my career, but also leveling up in other areas. For example, researching the best types of products to use for my skin type, how to use them, how to do my nails at home, just like different things that are going to support my goal to glow up both inwardly and outwardly. The more you learn, you become equipped to just handle the things that are going to come your way as the years progress. The fourth habit, and probably one of the most important ones, is effective time management. Time is your most valuable asset. You'll never have the second that just passed back. And that's why this habit is very important. Create a schedule that aligns with your goals. Prioritize tasks, and most importantly, but the most difficult, eliminate time-wasting activities. I can't tell you how many times I've picked up my phone to check a message or just check something, and then I tell myself, let me take a peek at Instagram, and before I know it, it's been like hours of mindless scrolling without me benefiting anything and having wasted valuable time that I could have worked on other more important things. One of the things that I'm really praying and trusting God to help me with this year is discipline when it comes to social media. And I encourage you to do the same, because when you control your time, you control your narrative, which ultimately helps you make 2024 the year you truly shine. The final habit I'm going to be sharing to help make 2024 your ultimate glow up year is building a supportive network. No man is an island, so we have to surround ourselves with people that inspire and uplift us. This could be friends, mentors, colleagues, church members, social media friends. It's really your call, but a strong support system will propel you forward in your journey. My sister knows about my 2024 glow up goal or journey, and so lately, for the past couple of days, anytime I video call her, she will call me out if I'm not looking put together or if my nails are chipped, and she just reminds me of the goal that I've set for myself because I mentioned it to her, and she's helping me propel that goal forward. In rounding up, I want you to visualize something. It's the start of 2025, you're reflecting on 2024. Imagine the sense of accomplishment, the sense of pride, growth, and sheer glow up of what you've experienced. You've become the main character of your life. Now, these 6 habits I've shared aren't just steps, but these are pillars that can really help you create that narrative. Cheers to making 2024 your blockbuster year. Be sure to like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in the next one. Happy glowing up.